Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. My name is Michael and today we are going to be unboxing, installing and reviewing the new 4K FITCAMX dashcam. Stick around. So, before we start, I want to mention that this is not a sponsored video. FITCAMX was nice enough to send me their product to review. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, and if you want to check it out at the end of this video, links will be in the description down below. So let's open this up and see what we've got. So this is the dashcam right here. I do like this. What they've done is they've incorporated the dashcam into the OEM bezel that fits around your rear view mirror in your car. That gives you a complete stealth look. No need for having a dashcam stuck on your window or anything. So I really like this. What I've got here is a model for a 2019 Mini Cooper S Countryman, but you can check out their website. They've got a whole host of cars and you can see if there's one available for your car. Okay, so having checked out the manual, which we never do because that's cheating. I haven't installed this myself before, so we're brand new at this, so we're gonna figure out this ourselves. But what I can see is it's got Wi-Fi connectivity, loop recording, wide angle view, it's got a G-Shock sensor in it, and it's got HDR, so everything you need in the dashcam. Should be a very simple install, comes with an app, so you can download that from the App Store, FITCAMX app, and it should be pretty straightforward. So let's jump into the car and get this thing installed so we can check it out. Okay, here we can see, should be a complete OEM replacement. The plastic quality is slightly different. You can see Mini's got a bit of a textured quality on theirs. This one's a bit darker and a bit more glossy, but it should fit up nicely and you would not even know the difference. Well, that was a little bit finicky, but I did get it off. I'm very glad that they give you and include in the kit a plastic pry tool so that you don't damage your parts, so that you can wedge it in between and, you know, separate the clips. Makes it very easy and, you know, like I say, without damaging any parts. So here we can have a quick look at the difference. So they are fairly identical, except obviously for the larger front section of the FITCAMX to incorporate that camera. So quality wise, as I mentioned, a little bit different, but you should not notice it when it's completely installed. So let's put this in and then we'll have a look at what it looks like. Okay, there it is. It's in. I'll be honest, it took about 10 minutes to just figure out getting the wiring in place. So you have to be certain to get the wires routed up and into the channels correctly so that the thing clicks back together. So it was a bit finicky, but we got it done.
Hey you. Yeah, you like this kind of content? You should like and subscribe. See you on the flip side, broski.
So there it is, guys, my final thoughts on the FITCAMX 4K dashcam. I think it's a really good product. It works really well. The integration of it into the rear view mirror housing cleans it up very nicely, so I think that is a very good product and a very good design. However, it is made specifically for that vehicle that you install it into, so if you are going to be selling your vehicle, you won't be able to reuse the product. So that's something to keep in mind. Having said that, I think that's the only drawback to the stealth integration look of this product. More than that, it's actually very good in the daytime with the quality of the video. It looks good. You can make out license plate numbers and other details in the surrounding areas. Nighttime, it's a bit more difficult to make out number plates. Sometimes you can't see them very well, but it's very easy to see other things where you've got a little bit more light shining directly on it, whether it be from the vehicle or from the surrounding areas, and the quality still seems to be very good and will definitely help you identify certain things, whether you need that footage for whatever reason that may be. So I would give the FITCAMX 4K dashcam a solid 8 out of 10. I think it's a great product. I would say quality wise, installation wise, not too bad. It looks really good. It fits up really well. It's a well designed and a well made product. Like I said, the installation was a bit finicky. Took me about 10 minutes, but for somebody who has no prior experience installing one of these, you should be able to figure it out yourself. Then for the app itself, figuring that out, connecting via the Wi-Fi and then getting the password in the booklet. Pretty simple, straightforward. Again, should be able to figure it out. It's not that difficult. So overall, I would say pretty good product. I hope this video has given you some insight into the FITCAMX 4K dashcam. Just thank you again to FITCAM for sending me this product to review. If you want to check it out for yourself, check the links in the description down below and you can have a look at their website and make a decision if this is something that you want in your car. There it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, if you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.